In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline view in Monday.com fast and easy. If you're looking to enhance the visual organization of your projects or tasks within Monday.com, you've come to the right place. Timelines are an exceptional way to keep track of progress, manage deadlines, and visualize your workload over a given period. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to set up a timeline view effortlessly. First up, from within your board on Monday.com, you need to locate the plus Add View tab. It's prominently positioned at the top of your board. Clicking on this tab opens up a variety of views you can incorporate into your board. Remember, the goal here is to add functionality to how you interact with your data, allowing you to visually track time-sensitive tasks more effectively. Once you've clicked on the plus Add View tab, your next step is to choose the timeline option from the menu that appears. The timeline view is specifically designed to help manage projects with a significant visual component, providing you with an intuitive visual representation of your tasks spread over time. Selecting the timeline option is crucial because it unlocks the ability to see your tasks laid out over a calendar, making it easy for you to track how they interconnect and overlap. After selecting the timeline view, you'll need to link it by selecting your existing timeline column. This step is significant because the timeline column you choose will determine the data that appears on your timeline. It might include start and end dates for tasks or project milestones, so making sure you select the correct column is essential for accurate representation. If you haven't already set up a timeline column on your board, you may need to return to your main board view and add this information before proceeding. Now, once your data is linked, you can view and interact with your timeline. This means you can now see all your board items laid out across the timeline. Here's where the true power of timeline view comes in. You have the ability to drag items across the timeline, helping you adjust tasks and deadlines with just a few clicks. This flexibility makes it easy to respond to changes and keep your project timelines accurate and up to date. And there you have it. Setting up a timeline view in Monday.com is as fast and straightforward as these steps. This view will help you gain better insights into your project schedules and progress, making collaboration and project management more effective for your team. Remember to regularly check and adjust your timelines as projects develop, so you can keep everything on track efficiently. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find your new timeline view invaluable for managing your tasks and projects. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.